Welcome back to my channel again. You are watching Doctor's Storyboard and I'm your doctor, Dr. Saroj, who have been delivering DHA GP notes especially for doctors. If you are here for the first time, please hit on the subscribe button so that you will be regularly receiving DHA GP notes. And it has been extracted from Master the Board. So don't forget to subscribe. So without delaying, today I'm going to start DHA GP notes, the extracted version of Master the Board. Continue with lesson 9, the extracted version of Master the Board. Pulmonary hypertension. Systolic BP is greater than 25 mm of Hg. Diastolic BP is greater than 8 mm of Hg. Any kind of pulmonary disease leads to elevation of pulmonary artery pressure. Pulmonary hypertension leads to hypoxemia. Presentation: dyspnea, syncope, chest pain. Wide splitting of S2 from pulmonary hypertension with a loud P2 or tricuspid or pulmonary valve insufficiency. Diagnostic tests: chest X-ray and CT. Dilation of arteries, that is pulmonary artery. Swan-Ganz catheter measures pressure, that is accurate test. EKG shows right axis deviation with right atrial ventricular hypertrophy. Echo shows right atrium and right ventricular hypertrophy. CBC shows polycythemia. Treatment of pulmonary hypertension: prostacyclin analogs, example epoprostenol, endothelin antagonist, bosentan, phosphodiesterase inhibitor, sildenafil, CGMP stimulators, riociguat, calcium channel blockers, oxygen, mostly with COPD. Lung transplantation is only beneficial for idiopathic pulmonary hypertension. Obstructive sleep apnea. Obesity is the most common cause. Other symptoms: headache, impaired memory, depression, hypertension, erectile dysfunction and bull neck. Most accurate test: polysomnography, and the treatment is weight loss, alcohol avoidance, CPAP, surgical widening of airway, uvulopalato pharyngoplasty, avoid use of sedatives, tongue out of way by oral appliances. Sleep apnea, that is CSA, unique features: lack of abdominal or thoracic movement during pause in breathing. Diagnosed with 5 polysomnography, greater than 5 apnea per hypopnea. Treat with CPAP. Mild apnea 5 to 15 apneic episodes per hour, moderate is 15 to 30 episodes per hour. ARDS, respiratory failure from lung disease, injury leading to hypoxia. Examples associated with ARDS: sepsis, lung contusion, burn near drowning, pancreatitis. Chest X-ray shows bilateral infiltrates, PO2/FiO2 less than 300 is ARDS. Treatment is low tidal volume mechanical ventilation. Use 6 ml per kg of tidal volume. Steroids are helpful in late stage when pulmonary fibrosis develops. Infectious diseases. MRSA drug: dalbavancin, tedizolide, oritavancin, vancomycin, daptomycin, linezolide, ceftaroline, telavancin. The best empirical therapy for gram-positive cocci growing from blood culture is vancomycin. Minor MRSA infection of the skin are treated with TMP, SMX, doxycycline, clindamycin, linezolide. The mnemonics you can use is TDCL, that is for minor MRSA infection of the skin. Penicillin covers Streptococcus pyogenes, oral anaerobes, syphilis, leptospira. Ampicillin and amoxicillin cover same organism as penicillin plus E. coli, Lyme disease and other gram-negative bacilli. Most accurate test for infection disease: culture. Amoxicillin is best for otitis media, dental infection and endocarditis prophylaxis and Lyme disease. Also in UTI in pregnant women, Listeria monocytogenes, enterococcal infection. So from here just remember which of the following drug is can be used in pregnant women during urinary tract infection. So if there is amoxicillin in the option, you can go for it. And also try to omit the drug which shouldn't be given in pregnancy. PRPs, that is penicillin resistant penicillin, such as oxacillin, cloxacillin are helpful in treating cellulitis, impetigo, erysipelas, endocarditis, meningitis, bacteremia, osteomyelitis and septic arthritis. Piperacillin, ticarcillin covers gram-negative bacteria, example E. coli, Proteus. Piperacillin plus cephalosporin are useful in treating cholecystitis, cholangitis, pyelonephritis, bacteremia, hospital-acquired ventricular associated pneumonia, neutropenia and fever. The only cephalosporin covering MRSA is ceftaroline. All cephalosporin covers streptococci, E. coli, Klebsiella, Proteus mirabilis. Listeria, MRSA and Enterococcus are resistant to all forms of cephalosporin. Fluoroquinolones, ciprofloxacin, gemifloxacin, levofloxacin, moxifloxacin helps in community-acquired pneumonia, gram-negative bacilli, cystitis, pyelonephritis, ventilator-associated pneumonia, diverticulitis, GI infection. Moxifloxacin can be used alone for diverticulitis. So remember this disease, all diseases are very important for DHA GP exam. Aminoglycosides cover gram-negative bacilli, synergistic with beta-lactam antibiotics, nephrotoxic and ototoxic. I mean aminoglycosides are nephrotoxic and ototoxic. Doxycycline, bronchitis, Lyme disease, rickettsia, MRSA of the skin and soft tissue, primary and secondary syphilis, Borrelia and Mycoplasma, chlamydia. Adverse effect of doxycycline, tooth discoloration and Fanconi syndrome. TMP SMX side effect, hemolysis, bone marrow suppression. Which of the following is the side effect of TMP SMX? The question will be coming like that. Agents covering gram-negative bacteria, quinolones, aminoglycosides, carbapenems, piperacillin, aztreonam, cephalosporin, polymyxin. Vancomycin with piperacillin increases risk of AKI, that is acute kidney injury. Important clues: stiff neck, photophobia and meningismus. If these signs are there in the question, then it must be or it might be meningitis. And along with previous symptoms, if confusion is added, then encephalitis. And if focal neurological findings are there, then it can be abscess. Some presentation in meningitis. Presentation: AIDS less than CD4 100 cell. 100 cells CD4 count is less than 100, then cryptococcus. Cramper, rash, joint pain, facial palsy, tic remembered in 20%, that is Lyme disease. Camper, rash but moves from arms to trunk, tic remembered in 60%, this is rocky mountain spotted finger. Pulmonary TB, if nothing is present, then it is viral disease. Adolescent petechial rash, that is Neisseria. Best initial and accurate test in meningitis, LP, that is lumbar puncture. So this is the curve or the graph I made by myself. So when the protein level increase and the glucose level decrease, then it is bacterial meningitis. And the protein level increase and the glucose level decrease, then it is cryptococcus meningitis. In case of TB, protein level increase and glucose level decrease. And in viral meningitis, protein also normal, that is 10 to 100 neutrophil, and in glucose also 10 to 100. Head CT is the best only if you suspect herniation. Indication of head CT in meningitis: papilledema, seizures, focal neurological abnormalities, confusion. Treatment of meningitis: ceftriaxone, vancomycin and steroids. They will not ask the dose during examination. 100,000 neutrophils, ceftriaxone, vancomycin and steroids. Add ampicillin if immunocompromised for Listeria. In Neisseria meningitis, add rifampin, ciprofloxacin or ceftriaxone to the close contact. What is the most common neurological deficit on untreated bacterial meningitis? That is 8th cranial nerve deficit or deafness. Encephalitis, acute onset of fever and confusion. Herpes simplex is most common agent for encephalitis, and when we do CT, when there is confusion, we do CT. Treatment is acyclovir, that is best initial therapy, and PCR is most accurate than brain biopsy. Influenza presents with arthralgia, myalgia, cough, fever, headache, sore throat, nausea, vomiting or diarrhea. Next step is nasopharyngeal swab. Treatment is oseltamivir, zanamivir if less than 48 hours. And we can give analgesic. We can advise patient for rest, antipyretics if greater than 48 hours, and hydration. Infectious diarrhea. Infectious diarrhea causative agent are Salmonella from poultry, Campylobacter associated with GBS, Guillain-Barré syndrome, E. coli, that is uremic syndrome, Shigella, second most common cause in HUS, hemolytic uremic syndrome, Vibrio parahemolyticus, shellfish and cruise ships, Yersinia, high affinity for iron, Clostridium difficile, white and red blood cells in stool, most accurate test in stool culture, no blood or WBC in stool, viral, Giardia, Cryptosporidiosis in AIDS, Bacillus cereus in vomiting, and Staphylococcus in vomiting. Mild diarrhea, we give fluids. If there is severe, we give fluids plus antibiotics, and in severe diarrhea there is hypotension, tachycardia, fever, abdominal pain, bloody diarrhea and metabolic acidosis. Giardia is treated with metronidazole and tinidazole. Hepatitis E worse in pregnancy. Sex, blood, perinatal is associated with hepatitis B, C and D. Food and water induced is A and E. Presentation, fever, jaundice, dark urine, nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain and hepatosplenomegaly. Diagnostic test is increased direct bilirubin, increased ratio of AST to ALT, increased alkaline phosphatase. In hepatitis, if prothrombin time increases, then there is a chance of hepatic failure and even death. IgM in case of acute infection, antibody, and IgG antibody, resolution of infection. So these are the personal graphs that I made to identify the acute or chronic infection, resolved old infection, and in case of vaccination, how does it looks. So the surface, and I will just tell about one. Surface antigen is positive and E antigen is positive, core antigen is positive and surface antibody is negative. So positive will go up and negative will go down. So that looks like inversed tick mark. And the second one, in case of resolved or old past infection, it looks like some kind of funnel. And in case of vaccination, the three items, surface antigen, E antigen and core antibody got negative and surface antibody becomes positive. It looks like tick mark but reversed. And in window period, surface and E antigen becomes negative, core antibody becomes positive and surface antibody becomes negative. So it looks like opposite N. E antigen is associated with DNA polymerase, therefore it is the best indicator that women can transmit to child. Hepatitis A and E resolves spontaneously. Hepatitis B is chronic when HBsAg is for more than 6 months. Treat hepatitis C with ledipasvir and sofosbuvir. Adverse effect of interferon, arthralgia and myalgia, leukopenia and thrombocytopenia, depression and flu-like symptoms. Ribavirin causes anemia. If viral load is elevated, no need to do liver biopsy. Sexually transmitted disease. Urethritis and cystitis gives dysuria with urinary frequency and burning. but cystitis doesn't give urethral discharge. Best initial test, urethral swab for gonorrhea detection. Gram-negative diplococci represents Neisseria gonorrhea. Most accurate test is urethral culture, DNA probe, nucleic acid amplification test. Strawberry cervix is found in cervicitis. Treatment of cervicitis, azithromycin plus ceftriaxone. Alternate is doxycycline. Epididymitis is scrotal pain superior and lateral to the testicle. Treatment is TMP, SMX or quinolone. Treatment of torsion, emergency surgery. Varicocele treatment, surgical ligation if bothersome or infertility develops. PID features, abdominal pain, abdominal tenderness, fever, leukocytosis, cervical motion tenderness. Diagnostic, cervical swab culture, DNA probe or nucleic acid amplification. So guys, how was that? Wasn't that helpful? If you really like these videos, you can share with other doctors who really want to participate in DHA GP exam in order to be a doctor in Dubai. So this is not an end. Please keep on watching because we will be updating more videos for DHA GP notes in further days.